I am not at a rooftop garden restaurant. I am here at Accusharp, a manufacturer of cutting tools here at Pune. See, the story of Accusharp starts with one man, one manual grinding machine.
Accusharp is one of the most prominent cutting tool manufacturer in India. They cater to various industries like electric vehicles, aerospace, defense, die mold, automotive. They manufacture different types of tools like drills, end mills, reamers, and different types of carbide, solid carbide, and HSS tool.
In 1998, Mr. Ilyas Sheikh has brought first manual grinding machine. At that time, we were just doing regrinding services until 2005.
Team at Accusharp never stopped from adopting technology, and that helped them to move forward.
In the year 2005, we bought our first CNC machine. From there onwards, we have started manufacturing the whole new solid carbide cutting tools. Earlier, for coating purpose, we used to send our tool to outside third parties. But in that time, we faced a lot of inconsistency issues.
The tools were getting damaged in the handling phases. So because of that, we thought that it would be better to introduce a new coating machine into our company.
It was during 2019 Accusharp came to know about CemeCon, and that became a turning point how these two companies came together to bring high quality cutting tools for the Indian market.
Accusharp team visited CemeCon AG Germany in 2019 and they brought some tools for trial coating. We did trial coating in Germany. Later on, they brought those tools and conducted the trials, and they found the results were extremely good. Based on that, they decided to invest in our HiPIMS turnkey project.
We are having CemeCon PVD coating machine from last 5 years. What we have found in the last 5 years, the way they have explained that how to handle the tools and how to batch the tools in and how to load the tools in the coating chambers, it was very easily understandable to everyone.
The installation has taken only 1 week, and the acceptance, and at least we have done 1 week of training just to show the customer how easy it is to handle our coating unit, how to start the unit and do the coating itself.
The HiPIMS technology itself is the new technology addition given us. Is the overall performance of the tool has increased. Less cycle time. It helped us basically to produce more coated tools. The way they have given us the 24/7 support in the last 5 years, because of that we had only 2 breakdowns in the last 5 years.
CemeCon AG as a team is very happy with the type of collaboration which we have with not just the top management of Accusharp but also the design team, the production team. Their production managers are doing an excellent job from each batch right from day one in 2021 when the machine was installed. The quality of coatings which they are producing is really world class. They are following all the processes which are trained by our German engineers. The quality of Accusharp tools along with CemeCon coatings is a very good combination.
I would like to say that we are really happy we bought our second CemeCon coating machine. Accusharp always believed in advanced technology. I am very much sure that this will benefit us and our customers.